Alongside running reports, you can run a diagnostic analysis report to get a better insight into the numbers being generated in a report. We already have an analysis sheet as standard after creating our default workbook right at the beginning. However, you can create an analysis report using the Report Wizard button again. This time, instead of having the report type set as report, simply change it to analysis. Click Next, Next, and then Finish for a basic template. On an analysis report, we can view how factors take effect over time due to the flow rate format. We can analyse multiple different factors at property and unit levels or on multiple asset levels all at the same time. Here I'm going to show how some income and expense factors can be mixed together but at different property and unit levels. This is to demonstrate the versatility of having a side-by-side analysis sheet format. Per column, you right-click on Analyze. So here's Analyze. We can right-click here, and we can now select which unit or property we want to view in terms of a factor we're going to select. So let's have the first property basis. So example 1 is property 1, and it should automatically fill in the name of the property, etc. Next to it, let's have property 2, and let's leave a gap and have just to distinguish between properties and units, and let's have the first unit, unit 1 of property 1, unit 2 of property 1, and unit 3 of property 1. Next to that, let's have unit 4, which is the first unit of example 2, 5, unit 6. We can now also put in different factors that we want to show up per unit or property setting. So for property 1, let's say we want to view the net income, but for property 2, we want to view the gross income. And let's say for unit 1 of property 1, we're going to want to view the baseline rent, and then we're going to want to view let's say the review income and the rent freeze. But here, for property 2, we're going to want to view some expenses. So let's say we want to show the total expenses for unit 4, and then we're going to want to show total vacancy costs and refurb costs. Once ready and you are happy with all the other settings, which I currently am, we can run the cash flow for the analysis report. Simply click cash flow again. Now we can see that our analysis report is also ready to run. We could run both our previous report and the analysis report at the same time, but this could add time to how long the cash flow takes to generate. So for now, let's just generate for analysis. Reformat the reports to get a nice outcome and start the cash flow. We can now view how factors come into play over time and at different property or unit levels. So, for example, we wanted the net income for property 1, and we can see how that changes over the months. But we can also see at the same time that the baseline rent for the unit 1 of property 1, and we can see how that factor takes effect over time.